Go down, need it up, need it up, down, go down, go down, go down, go down, go down.
Hey guys, it is your girl KristynAlexis, and in today's video we decided to cook dinner that was a little bit non-traditional for Christmas. We made lasagna, and lasagna is one of my favorite things to make. If you have been following this channel for a while, you know I love pasta. So we did some lasagna. This lasagna is so easy. I'm not gonna sit here and act like I'm the expert at lasagna, but this is definitely a beginner-friendly recipe. So if you are looking for an easy way to make a really delicious lasagna, then this is definitely the video for you. I'm gonna walk you guys through how to make it. I'm gonna give you the feedback at the end as to how it came out. It's gonna be absolutely fabulous. So stay tuned for the video. And if you're a newbie to the channel, I have a lot of other cooking videos. We did some actually pretty fun meals here on the channel. Some were a success, some were not, but it's been pretty dope. So if you're new, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any of the other cooking videos in the future, as well as if you are one of my riders, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button before we get into it. And I just appreciate y'all. So let's go ahead and get into this recipe so I can show you guys how to make my famous, easy to make, beginner friendly lasagna. Okay, you guys, here are the ingredients. We have your lasagna noodles, because you gotta have those to make lasagna. I got 2 ricotta cheeses because I'm planning on making a lot of lasagna, as you can see. We have some Romano cheese, some Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, got a little onion for the tomato sauce, got a little green pepper for the tomato sauce, Monterey Jack because I like mine super cheesy. And then for seasonings, we're doing some Lori seasoning salt, some garlic powder, some black pepper, some Italian seasoning. Now I love Italian seasoning. I usually overdo it in my spaghetti and it just makes it taste so delicious. I actually found this out from a cook that I love his food. So I'm gonna be doing some of that today as well. And then we're using ground beef and a little bit of sweet Italian ground sausage too, because I feel like it's gonna add a perfect flavor to this lasagna. Okay guys, so I'm not getting on camera right now because my hair is looking crazy and I need to lay my frontal back down, but yep, you on blast. My mom is making us Moscow mules, you guys. So she bought some Seagram's vodka.
What's wrong with that?
She got us some lime juice.
She don't get us right.
And what's that, Mom? What's that? That's lime juice? And then what else do you put in here? She got some ginger beer too, you guys. So tell them what it's gonna be, Mom. You always say it. Say it. Tell them what it's gonna be.
Nope, because you put me on.
You always say it's popping and what?
I ain't saying that.
Say it, because you always say it every time. Tell them.
I'm not saying it.
It's pop. It's gonna be popping, snapping. Okay, you guys, so let me break this down. I did tell you guys in the beginning of this video, this is a pretty easy meal, but I'm still gonna break it down here in a really quick voiceover. For those of you who are new to this, you're gonna love it. I'm right now putting the seasoning on this meat. So we've put some seasoning salt, some garlic powder, I put the Italian seasoning, and now I'm cracking a little bit of black pepper on my meat. I'm only gonna put the black pepper on the Italian sausage because I feel like when you make it for breakfast, you don't put a bunch of seasoning on it. So I just stuck with that for the meal and it turned out delicious. I then boiled my lasagna noodles. I didn't get the kind that were just the ones you put in the dish and put right in the oven hard. I like the ones that you boil and they didn't get too soggy. So it was perfect. When you do this, it's very important that you put the ricotta cheese first on your noodle and then you layer from there. So you can layer in any order after that, but when you lay your next layer of noodles, always put the ricotta cheese directly on the noodle because it's really hard to spread that stuff out if you put your meat and your other cheeses down. Trust me, I did it on the first layer, which is why I ended up accidentally starting this video a little bit late. But you're just gonna layer it. It's actually pretty easy. Layer your food. I used a pretty deep pan and I didn't originally plan on making the lasagna this deep. However, it was delicious, you guys. I promise you. Oh my god, it was so good. So one thing I didn't show you guys, and I'm so mad I didn't get a clip of this, is when I made the hamburger, I cut up the onion and the green pepper I showed you earlier, and I added it to the pan that had the ground beef. And then we put the big old jug or jar of ragu. We poured it all in here and we let it just kind of simmer and marinate. And that's really important. I also added a half a spoon of sugar to kind of cut the tomato sauce. I actually learned from you guys in the comments that this helps with digestion, and for some people who have reflux, it helps with that too. I didn't know that, but some people commented in one of my last videos that helps. But I just wanted to make sure I spiked that out because I didn't show you guys a clip, and I usually am really good about that. So I don't know what was happening. I must have been having too much fun with my Moscow mule. But now we're just adding all of the cheeses. Like, everything doesn't have to be perfect. You just have to layer it up. Put all the ingredients that I mentioned earlier in here, and you just layer it on top of each other, and it's gonna come out so delicious. I have a little bit of paprika for the look. What you think? Delicious. Is it? Like on a scale of 1 to 10?
Wow.
Bon appetit.
Tell the K-stars what you were just saying about the lasagna. You said the flavor is what, girl? See, everybody got shy around here. I wanted to tell you guys about this lasagna. They were over here raving about the lasagna, saying the flavor was good, the sauce was good, it was perfect, not salty, just delicious, not too saucy, not dry, soft. The noodles were just very soft. It was absolutely perfect. Like, with the help of my mother back here, we put our foot in that lasagna. So if you guys are interested in making a lasagna, this is the beginner's lasagna. You can do this. Anybody can do this. If you're not a cook, this is for you. The time in the oven takes a little bit longer, but the prep time is not crazy. Very similar to most meals. I think in the oven, we left it in there for a while. Mom, how long do you think it was in the oven? Like a little over an hour?
Over an hour.
Yeah, it was a little over an hour. Fabulous, so y'all. Bon appetit. Bon appetit. No, it was really good though. I'm full now. It's Christmas and the twins are about to go back to their dad's house. So I'm trying to talk my fiance into trying to do something today. Hopefully my brother, but he's got to wake up real early. So I'll give him a pass if he's not interested. But it's been a really great day. I'm excited about this food and I'm glad there's leftovers. We got a lot of them. I don't know if you can see back here. There's a lot of lasagna left. So we're gonna be having lasagna tomorrow for lunch, dinner, breakfast, all that. And then when the twins come back, it's gonna be lasagna for them too. Everybody's having lasagna. But anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Before we get out of here though, if you have not found my vlog channel yet, go check it out, because the vlog channel is where it's at. The community over there is dope. If you're from the vlog channel, let them know in the comment section. But with that, I'm about to get up out of here. I appreciate you guys. I love y'all as always, and I hope you have a great rest of your week, and I will see you in the next video. And before you get up out of here though, smash the like button. Show your girls some support. All right, y'all, I'll see you next time. I love you. Bye.